Astro Guru, where the wisdom of the cosmos lights your path.
Hi friends, Saturn is retrograding on July 27, 2026 at 10:21 p.m. and it will remain till December 11, 3:51 a.m. That means approximate 4.5 months. The retrogression means it denotes the backward movement, but actually Saturn will move one step into the front and two steps into the back. Like that it is retrograding and it will remain in Pisces only. But there is chance of lot of changes. Saturn is the planet of work and the planet of ethics. Saturn represents discipline, responsibility, detachment, hard work, delays, fear, justice, maturity, humanity and simplicity. Saturn will take around 29.5 years to complete one zodiac sign. That means it will take 2.5 years to complete one zodiac sign. Saturn is a male planet and the element is air element. The direction is west. The color is blue-black. The day is Saturday. So, according to Vastu or Astro Vastu, it is better to avoid toilet in the west direction because the west direction is ruled by Saturn. If Saturn negative, it will affect your profession. By the end of this video, I am explaining how we can practically transform Saturn into positive or how to remove the bad karma of Saturn. Saturn control our hair, teeth, ear, hardening of bones, membrane, smallpox, deafness, diphtheria, asthma, TB, tuberculosis, and paralysis. In some case, it affecting or childbirth or no child. Also, Saturn make cardiac troubles and cancer. Especially Rahu and Saturn is the cause of cancer. Also, Saturn rules kerosene, petrol, coal, cement, leather, black stones, jute, ginger oil, banana, potato, black grains, barley, and blue sapphire. So, during Saturn Dasha, you can use blue sapphire. Also, Saturn rules over valley, hills, forest, caves, desert, old buildings, church, temples, slums, stinky places, saloons, bonds, metal factories. Also, it control elephant, buffalo, dogs, goats, cows, birds like crows. According to medical astrology, Saturn's control hair, teeth, or Saturn cause certain disease related to the organs. The friends planet of Saturn is Mercury, Jupiter and Venus. The enemy planet of Saturn are Rahu, Ketu, Sun, Moon and Mangal, Mars. These are the enemy planets. Saturn is bad in first house and 8th house. 4 and 12 are mixer in medium. So according to numerology, if you use some numbers related to the enemy planet of Saturn, it will adversely affect your health and in several aspects it causes different kind of obstacles. 8 represents Saturn. Here I will tell you 2-3 enemy planet combination as per the mobile numerology. So better to avoid these combinations in your mobile number. If required, you can WhatsApp the details for the consultation. Also, we are doing Astro Vastu online. No need to visit the location. With the help of certain software like GeoGebra, Google Earth, we can find your location and track it. We can rectify the Vastu problems. Like the same, if you are interested for mobile numerology, you can contact us through WhatsApp, or for the astrological things, Brihanadi, KP astrology, Vedic astrology, medical astrology and related subjects, you can contact in WhatsApp. Suppose 48, 4 and 8 or 8, 4 combinations are there in your mobile number. There's a chance of incurable problems in your body. Like the same, there's a chance of deficiency of the sex pleasure. There is chance of any blood related disease. So avoid 4-8 combination or 8-4 combination from your mobile number. Also you can go for a good mobile number based on your birth year. Another example, 6-8. If this combination came into your mobile number, there is a chance of some eye related issue of the any organ in your body. 6-8 is male fit, and also try to avoid 888 or 8888 multiple 8 combination is very bad. It will delay everything. Like the same, 28 is not good, 18 is not good. If you keep 1 and 8 combination in your mobile number, there is a chance of spouse health issue. If you are a male, there is chance of any health issue for your wife and vice versa. Then there is chance of any issue related to the government, understanding issue between father and son. Also there is chance of frequent job changes. So avoid 18 or 81 combination from your mobile number. Suppose if you check the case of 2-8. That also not good combination. The person may have decent amount of money. Still, there is a chance of spend more money in the hospital or medicine. Also, there is chance of second marriage in the family. Try to avoid bad company. It may affect you. So 2-8 also not good combination. Now we will move star-wise prediction. Libra, Tula. The star sign aligned with Libra is Venus. The stars aligned with Libra is Chitra, Swadhi and Vishaka. The last two steps of Chitra, Swadhi and the first three steps of Vichaka. Chitra is controlled by Mars and Venus. Swadhi is controlled by Rahu and Saturn. Vichaka is controlled by Jupiter and Rahu. Better to note your karma. This will be helpful to identify your nature and character. There is a chance of unexpected gain, or someone may give you some gift. If you are children or small boy, your father or your parents may deposit in your name. Also, there is chance to gain something from the past investment, and you can lead a luxurious life during this time because of the transition of Saturn. Some unexpected gain may happen during this time. Also, this is the right time to get jobs. For online working people, this is a good time. Also, there is chance to sign new contracts. If you are looking for any loans, this is the right time to get the loans. Because of transition of Saturn, the loan will pass. Also, there is chance to get any chitties. If you are suffering from some health issues, that may cure because of the transition of Saturn. So, if you are struggling to repay the credit card, it is best time to repay the credit card, and you will get money from somewhere, maybe through your friends or relatives or banks. And if you are hospitalized with any diseases, there is a chance of recover from the illness and discharge from the hospital. Also, there is chance of professional gain through the correspondence. If you are applied for a job, you will get the confirmation letter during this time because of the transition of Saturn. If you are a working people, there is chance to get support from the senior officials. If you are a businessman and if you are looking for something from the government or higher officials, it is right time to fulfill your wish. Also, there is chance to get some new contracts, and if you are looking for a job, this is the right time to get the job. Chance to sign new agreement, new contract, some new business proposal during this time. Also, there is chance of reduce the unnecessary expense. Also, this is the right time for foreign travel. To make Saturn positive, you can donate the black dam to the temple, or you can donate it to the poor people, especially the seekers, helpers and beggars. Also, it is better remedy to give water to people tree. This is the best way to make positive the Saturn. Also, you can pour water to Shivalinga, or you can pour milk to the Shivalinga. Rudrabhisheka also one of the good remedy to make Saturn positive. Also, you can give grass to the buffaloes, because buffaloes are the radiations of Saturn. Feed crow. That is the best remedy to positive the Saturn. Also, donate jute bag to the beggars or seekers or poor people. Donate food to the poor people also. Especially donate food to the blind people and handicapped. Feed birds, street dog. Also, best remedy to positive Saturn. Also, you can chant the Moola Mantra of Saturn. You can search Moola Mantra of Saturn in the Google. So, donate kachori to the poor people or beggars, seekers, blind people or handicapped. This is the best method to make Saturn positive. As I mentioned before, 1 and 8 position is not good for Saturn in your birth chart, and 4 and 12 also give the mixed result. Especially if some negative planet align with the Saturn, Saturn will automatically negative. Especially if there is more than one negative planet aligned with the Saturn, there is a chance of do multiple work. These are because of the positions of Saturn or the connectivity of the Saturn. In this situation, you can do certain karma to positive the Saturn. There are mainly 3 karmas based on Dal Kitab. First karma, make a tactic food or donate to 10 blind people. Nowadays, there are a lot of blind school. Also, you can buy some thali food from outside and give it to the blind people. In that, you have to make one item seed food by your hand only. Then serve to the 10 people in one line. Also, as an 11th person, you have to sit with them and eat the food. These are the best karma to make Saturn positive. Another karma is you have to keep certain material ready. This will cost maximum 200 rupees or 300 rupees altogether. Buy a flute, then white tape, desi shakkar. These 3 items required for one karma. Another thing, you have to buy a small pot. Also buy some quantity of 50 gram or 100 gram of honey. These are the 2 things you have to keep ready. Now I will tell you how to do the karma. On Saturday, if the sky is fully clear, then only you have to select that day for this karma. Fill the desi shakkar into the flute and fill it up. Then close the hole with white tape. Then go to some remote area and keep the fruit there, then you can come back. Don't look into bag. If you took anything with you, just leave it there and come back. Another remedy, as I told you, fill the honey in the small pot, then close the small pot by tape or anything. Then go to the remote area, then dig the pot or in the soil there and come back, look backside. These are the two remedies. In this way, you can make the Saturn positive, especially the first karma which I told you, like giving the food to the blind people is the best karma to make Saturn positive. Normally, you need to this karma only once in life. At least if you can do in 3 years, it will be better, and some people are doing this every year. If you have such a place, that is better. Anyway, donating food is the best karma to Saturn positive. And if you are looking for any consultation, you can WhatsApp, or if you want to learn anything like medical astrology, predictive astrology, Pragnadi, Chandrakala Nadi, Vedic astrology, mobile numerology, Ashtavarga, Panchavashi, like anything if you are interested, you can join the link or you can WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye.